Hey you guys, it's Expo3 here, the Ropers Expert 2.0. And today I'm gonna do a little video on this Road Rippers Hip Hoppers Impala. Lowrider. Okay, quick thing about this, it takes 4 AA batteries, it has a medium small speakers, and one big motor and one small one in the back. So, I was gonna take another video on this. Size comparison. I was gonna do like another video on this, but like, it was gonna be like suspended on top of this Hummer. But like when I was like testing it out, so like it won't fall off the Hummer and stuff. Like it was like doing its hydraulic things and stuff. Then I had like took it off after it was done playing its song and stuff. Then after that I'm just gonna show you later in the video. But this was supposed to come on Friday the 5th, but it came yesterday on the 1st. So, yeah. The wire to the back motor came off, I think. That's what it's supposed to do. And that sound effect is from the dancing doors. So that's like a nostalgic memory for me. I miss my Hummer so much. Dancing doors one. But here are the songs up close.